Where do you think this treasure is? We're never gonna find it. I'm dying, man. Wait, what is that? It definitely looks like somebody's been digging here. This has to be it. I hope this is it, man. Is that the lost treasure? It is. We found it. No way. Oh, yeah. You found it. This is the lost treasure. Oh my God. It looks like there's some gold bars in there. Oh, we're rich, man. We're rich. What's the only thing worth more than gold? Fireworks. Well, we had a lot of fun doing that, but today we're going to take a look at the treasure chest by Raccoon Fireworks, which is unlike most canister shell kits because most of them feature 24 canister shells. However, this one features 48, and it's not just 48 regular canister shells. We have 12 of the 4-inch cans, 12 of the 5-inch, 12 of the 6-inch, and we even have 12 7-inch triple break canister shells. So I want to get you guys a shot of this side of the box, which shows exactly what the 6-inch double break shells will do, and the 7-inch triple break. Those are going to be all your effects right there. And then if we take you to this side of the treasure chest, you will notice it shows you what all the 4-inch cans do and all the 5-inch. Now this is definitely a really unique way to package your canister shells. I absolutely love that you're getting 48 of them instead of the standard 24, and I think we're going to have a ton of fun with this. What do you think, Cade?
Arr, me booty.
So Cade just went ahead and opened up the box, and as you can see, those are our sleeves of canister shells. So why don't you pull one out? And this is what it looks like. Look at those nice gold bars. I think they did that on purpose. You know, we've got a treasure chest here and we've got gold canister shells. Did they do that intentionally? I believe so.
Yes, they did. Yes, these ones are rubies. Are rubies and gold.
So as you can see, we definitely have a lot of treasure inside of this box. And if you were gonna light these one at a time on the 4th of July, you're just gonna have an absolute blast. And it looks like this bad boy comes with 8 fiberglass tubes, so you can line them all up down the driveway however you want. You can have multiple people lighting them. We're gonna set up all 8 of these tubes in a line and enjoy these shells one at a time. Unless you wanna do something different.
You're the pyro master. I'm just the helper, man.
He's more than just the helper. So as you can see, we just got all of the shells pulled out of the treasure chest mortar kit. And you can see here we got the 4-inch cans, we've got the 5-inch cans, the 6-inch, and finally the 7-inch. Now, supposedly these are triple break, and I have never seen a triple break canister shell, I don't think ever. And if I have, you'll have to correct me in the comments, but take a look, we got all our tubes there, so now we're gonna get them set up in a line. So I wanted to get you guys this shot here just to show you the true difference between these 4 shells. So over here on the left, we've got the 4-inch can, then we got the 5-inch, then the 6-inch, and the 7-inch over there on the right. Now the 7-inch is a triple break, and so if we shake it, I don't know if you can hear that, I'll put it closer to the mic. So if you shake it, you can definitely tell that there are multiple shells in there. So inside the 7-inch can, there's probably like 3 of these. So as you can see, we have all the 4-inch cans over here, all the 5-inch right there, the 6-inch and the 7-inch in piles. And we're just gonna be loading these one at a time from smallest to biggest into those tubes and enjoy these shells in the order that they were packaged in. So we're gonna start with all the 4-inch cans and end with all the 7-inch cans. All right, guys, well, it's dark enough to start enjoying our canister shells, and we just have all of the 4-inch canister shells loaded up. Now, because there's 12, we only had 8 tubes, so I actually brought out my own mortar rack here. I'm actually gonna put this shell on the other side, just there a little more space, and hopefully we don't get fuse jumping here. But we're gonna go ahead and enjoy these 4-inch canister shells one at a time. Oh, and just so you guys know, I do have another camera angle facing straight up in the air. So anything that I miss shooting in wide angle, we will be able to review on that camera, and hopefully it turns out. I've never done it like that. Like, look at it, it's super wonky, completely sideways with that camera. And let's just go ahead and see the 4-inch cans. We'll go on to the 5s, and then we'll do the 6 and the triple break 7-inch. Shell number 1. Nice. Yeah, way bigger. Shell number 2. Wow. Number 3. Jeez. Number 4. Nice red lace. Shell number 5. Beautiful. Number 6. Seven. Number 8. Ooh. That one broke so hard I don't think it lit all the stars. Here goes shell number 10, only 2 left. Yeah, for 4-inch cans, these definitely pack a punch. 11. All right, and we got shell number 12. I think best for last. And now that we lit off all the 4-inch cans, we're gonna go ahead and start lighting the 5-inch ones. I think they're just gonna get louder and louder. Here goes our first 5-inch can of the night. Yeah, there's no comparison on the 4 versus the 5. They even have that tail on them. Number 2. Yeah, so these are obviously way better. Shell number 3. Look at that. Number 4. Oh, I like that a lot. Shell number 5. Oh, nice. God, these things sound like thunder. Man, those things pack a punch. Oh, beautiful. I think this is the last one. Oh, perfect. Best for last again. So is it gonna get even louder than that? Next ones up are the 6-inch canister shells. Let's see them in action. Can we beat the 5-inch canister shell? With these 6-inch cans, there's only one way to find out. Here goes our first 6-inch canister shell of the night. Double brakes. Nice. Love the double brakes. I guess we got 2, so there should be 4 brakes in total. Nice. Here goes another one. Whoa. I'm gonna try shooting this next one in wide angle because it's tough to get both. There we go, that's much easier. It does make the effects look smaller though, but you can still hear the bang. Oh, that was nice. So those last shells were double brake, right? And I know that these are triple brake. There's no way I'm gonna be able to film these in ×1 zoom because if we get 3 shells fill in the sky, I just won't be able to find them. So we are gonna have to shoot all 12 of these 7-inch triple brake shells in wide angle. All right, well, we have all of the 7-inch triple break canister shells loaded into the tube. And I just want to point this out. Look at how far up in the tube this shell actually comes. So hopefully these things fire. I don't know, we've only got about 3 inches left up here for these shells to exit the tube. So I'm really hoping we don't get any low breaks here. These probably should be 15-inch tubes, but this will be a great test to see, do you need 15-inch or do you need 12-inch to fire a 7-inch shell? And for all you guys at home, just remember, 5 inches is the national average, so don't feel bad about these shells being 7 inches. Right, Cade?
Yeah.
Here goes our first big boy 7-inch canister shell. This is the guy she tells you not to worry about. Oh, okay. They're really quick. Shell number 2. Wow, the one on the top is like really big. To give you guys an idea as to what we're looking at, I'm gonna shoot this next one in ×1. Yeah, so they're still breaking like real big canister shells. Do I dare try another one in ×1? Let's find out. Yeah, the one on the top is the one that's really juiced up. So you get like 2 smaller breaks. They're still loud, but then a really big one at the end. Goes another one. Yeah. All right, we're back to wide angle. Whoa. That was a good one. And that's what wide angle is for. Here we go. Oh, that was a really good one. All right, guys, we're gonna get you a grand finale. Here goes the last 2 shells, 6 breaks in total. Sweet.
Kind of curious to see what these big chunks are that landed over here.
Oh yeah, a lot of this is probably the shell.
Ooh.
Oh wow, look at that.
Interesting.
How about that one?
Well, they're empty.
Well, this video was not only extremely fun to do, but it really shows you guys the differences between the 4-inch, 5-inch, 6, and 7-inch canister shells. I believe there is also an 8-inch canister shell on the market, but I have not shot those off yet, and as soon as I find them, I will get you guys a video on that. At the end of the day, all of these canister shells, no matter how big they are limited to the 60-gram legal limit, and that's why on the 7-inch triple break shells, you notice 2 smaller breaks before a much larger one, because they can still only juice these up so much before they become illegal or overloaded. So with that in mind, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and Raccoon Fireworks does an outstanding job on all their canister shell kits and 500-gram cakes. I've never been disappointed with a Raccoon item in my life. And with that, we will see you next time.